If you're encountering a login block message on Sellbrite, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers, and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Sellbrite's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login blocked issue on Sellbrite. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.